Anshu Jubli is getting written off way too early and it's ridiculous. The guy loses his first two fights in the UFC and suddenly everyone thinks he's finished. But if you actually know the sport and you aren't just some casual with attention span of a goldfish, you'd understand that this exact thing has happened before. And one of the best examples is Merab Davalishvili, the number one bantamweight in the world right now. The cardio machine that nobody wants to fight. The guy who literally smothers top contenders and makes them look like they don't belong in the same cage. He started his UFC career 0-2 as well. He was getting choked out by Ricky Simon in a bizarre finish. He was losing close decisions and people were calling him a flop. And now look at him. He's the nightmare of the division. He's about to fight for a belt. He's turned himself into one of the most avoided fighters in the UFC. And that's the blueprint that Anshul needs to follow. Because you can see the similarities. He's got the skills. And most importantly, he's got the mentality to not let early setbacks define him. The kid has clean striking. He manages distance well. He doesn't panic under pressure. He is just inexperienced at this level. And that's fine. The UFC is the elite of the elite. Everyone's a killer. And getting two losses out of the gate doesn't mean you're doomed. It means you're learning. It means you're getting thrown in the fire and finding out what you're really made of. And that's exactly what happened to Mirab. He didn't sulk, he didn't crumble. He doubled down, leaned into his strengths, turned his insane pace into a weapon, and built himself into a monster. And Anshul can do the same. People forget mentality is everything in this sport. You can have all the talent in the world, but if you break mentally, you're finished. Anshul hasn't broken. He's owning it. He's taking the losses on the chin. He's still motivated. And that's the sign of a future contender. He left his home country, uprooted his life, dedicated himself to this. That's not the type of guy who folds after two setbacks. That's the type of guy who finds a way back. And when you mix that with the chip on his shoulder from all the disrespect, the doubt, the dismissal, you get someone dangerous. Because fighters like that use the hate as fuel. They come back sharper. They come back hungrier. And I'm telling you right now, history repeats itself. If Mirab can go from 0-2 to one of the scariest contenders in the UFC, then Anshul Jubli can absolutely bounce back and carve his own path. So don't write him off. Don't act like the story is finished, because this isn't the end. This is the beginning of a comeback. And when he starts winning fights again, all the same people who buried him after two losses are going to pretend they believed in him all along. But remember, I said it now. He's got the skill. He's got the will. And just like Mirab, he's going to prove everyone wrong.